guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Amazon wig review. I got sent this 24-inch wig, a curly hair wig, it says, from a company called Get Gal. And this wig was $19.99 on Amazon. And it comes in the colors, I got mine's in, what's this one? A red brown. It comes in 1B, it comes in light purple, and it comes in pink. And this is the packaging that it comes in. I have not opened it yet, so this will be like my first impression. And excuse me if you hear my kids in the background yelling. This is what they do. This is what they do. Alright, so when I take it out, this bag, it comes in another bag. Okay, so I guess this is the top. This is the color. And it doesn't have any like bad smell to it. Like there's no smell at all. It honestly just smells like hair. So this is what it looks like straight out of the packaging. And it is, it got the bang, okay? It got the bang. It got a bang. So I've never had bangs before, and I don't know honestly how this one's gonna look on me. But yeah, she's 24 inches, and it's a synthetic wig, and it was $20. I'm gonna go ahead and throw her on, and we're gonna see how this looks on me, okay? We're gonna see how this looks on me, because it does have the bang. You know, I don't know about bangs, yo. I don't know. I got a small forehead. I don't got a big forehead. I wish I had a big forehead, but I don't. Okay, I don't. For those who wanted to see the inside of the wig, it has two combs right here in the front, and the adjustable straps right here, you know. But I'm not gonna use those because I got a big head, so I'm not using those. All right. Now I'm for real this time. For real this time. For real. I don't know. Y'all, hold up. Hold up. Okay. Boom. Stop playing with me. Stop it. Okay. I'm gonna need to fix this. Hold up. Where's my brush? Oh my god. Wait. Wait. Okay, now. 1 second. Where's my comb? Hold up. I need to work with this. I need to work with this. Okay. Okay, what's up with this? My hair is sticking out. Hold up. Hold up. So we don't want. Second, like, yeah, this is the wig on without me doing anything to it. These bangs are like really long. But let me cut that. She getting on my nerves. Where's my comb? I just have my comb. We're gonna pull the bangs out. Tuck this in. honestly, it's not that bad. I could deal with her. So I don't know what. I mean, I guess that's better. Yeah, you guys, I think I like this wig. I don't know, it's something different. If you're interested in this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description down below. Again, it was only $20. She's synthetic, 24 inches. Okay, there is some shedding, but you know, I guess that happens with synthetic wigs. It's not so shiny as I would expect it to be. I thought it was gonna be like super shiny, like one of those costume wigs, but honestly, it's not. But yeah, I like it, guys. I think I could do this.